Hi crypto enthusiasts, Emre Ata here, another video for you. Today I'll show you how to trade the official token of Binance Global, the BNB token, also known as the BNB Coin, and my referral code, one of the best commission discount codes. How to use it, that is, how to use the Binance referral code. I'll demonstrate that. Also, just like I do in every video, I will attempt to share insights with you, drawing from my own 8 years of experience in this industry. Welcome to the video. Yes, how to buy BNB on Binance Global. Firstly, we need to create account on Binance Global with referral code for commission discount, commission kickback. This is exchangereferralcodes.com. Languages. On this website, you should get information about crypto industry. Don't forget food, FOMO, what is it? You should get information about all crypto industry words. So, how to create account on Binance Global with referral code? You should click this banner or in this video info section referral URL. On this page, you should visit this page. You should fill this form. This is my name, my code. In this way, if you see my code here, you will understand my code working. With this code, up to 20% trade rebates, commission discount or commission kickback, and up to $600 new user bonus. With your email or phone, complete this form, or you should use your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. Yes, we have created our account on Binance with referral code. Firstly, we should complete our KYC approval. You should see here this verified. With your mobile phone, system automatically redirect you KYC approval page. With your phone, 30 seconds or 1 minute in, you will complete with, you should use your passport or national ID or a residence permit or driver license. Yes, we have completed KYC approval. Now, how to deposit money to Binance for buying BNB? Firstly, easy way. Mobile phone and desktop same. Click deposit. Select your currency. But be careful about your country regulations for cryptocurrency industry. Easy way, buy with USD. On this page, for example, we have 500 USA dollars. Click this button, find BNB. After add your debit card, Visa, MasterCard, or GPay or Apple Pay, and after click buy BNB. For selling, click sell and sell your BNB. So, on market we want buy BNB, we need stable coin, USDC or USDT. For example, click USDC, 1000 or 500 USA dollar, and click buy USDC. Now we have USDC. Where is market area for buying BNB? Mobile and desktop same. Click market here. Click spot here. And find BNB. Here, BNB USDT. Trade page here. Chart, information, trading data, trading analyze, Square. Click info and see BNB datas. So, red colors here, left side, sellers, green colors, buyers. And this is BNB current price. We have 500 USA dollar, for example, for buying fast. Click first red one, 500 USA dollar. Click buy BNB. When you want to sell, here, for example, BNB rise 900 USA dollar. This is not trade advice, just example. Click sell BNB. Buying and selling, so easy. If you need more information, you should visit my website exchangereferralcodes.com. I emphasize this in every video. As I say, please stay away from social media influencers you don't know who they are or what they are. Avoid accounts that offer investment advice, urging you to buy specific coins or tokens, predicting price increases or decreases, and telling you to sell. Learn to do your own analysis yourself. This is the only way you can make money in this sector. You can acquire experience by dedicating months, possibly years, or even hours without incurring personal losses. Investigate these resources. whether they are on YouTube or found in articles online. You might not get it at first. Tinker with it, learn the terms. Learn what NEI, FOMO, and FUD are. After that, you'll begin trading with greater clarity. Thank you so much for watching my video. In this series, in addition to explaining how to buy, sell, and trade coins or tokens, I'm also sharing my 7 years of experience. Therefore, you can also watch my upcoming videos. If you liked it, you can click the like button. Please don't forget to follow Binance Global's official social media channels. Because the market is volatile, with big ups and downs, false information can circulate on social media. For this reason, you need to get your information from official channels. I strongly advise you to do this. See you in another video.